Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Thursday, April 21, 2022. It's a new day for Snake Mountain Boatworks and a great day for Priscilla, our 1940 17-foot Chris Craft Barrelback. She was originally sheathed on the bottom with these individual planks. This is the inside skin on what will become a 5200 bottom. We've always done these, and I think most of you have always done these 5200 bottoms using sheets of 6 mil or 4 mil plywood. But she was originally, as was the case with all pre- and post-war Chris Crafts at least, and most other manufacturers' boats, with strips of mahogany set at an approximate 45-degree angle relative to the keel. This is a special boat, even though she's gone through hard times. These 17-foot runabouts are really rare. They were originally bottom planked in this manner. So we decided to give it a shot. And I've got to tell you, well, I'll hand it over to Joe. I think he'll explain to you why this is the new Snake Mountain Boatworks standard.
So as you can see, it's way different than what we usually do. The way I'm doing it now is actually far easier, especially when you're doing it by yourself. When you have two people and you're doing full sheets, it's a little different. But when you're doing a boat by yourself, having them run this way, the way that they used to, you get your guide set, you get, check out, see what the angle is, and the only time it changes is when you get way far forward. And then at that point, as soon as you get your square line across from the keel, you'll make your pieces long, and you can mark it right here on the side where it's got to sit into that landing there. And it bends so much easier. You end up with a lot less waste, and as far as I'm concerned, it's probably going to be a lot more rugged of a 5200 bottom.
So what we will do from here, what Joe's doing right now is dry fitting all of these. We have all the new bottom frames have been installed temporarily. So this is all the dry fit stage. We want to make sure we have a complete suite of bottom planks on both starboard and port. Once Joe is happy with what he has, all of this will be removed. Everything will be sealed with multiple coats of Smiths. Remember, only Smiths clear penetrating epoxy sealer. The inside surfaces will all receive multiple coats of Chris Craft mahogany bilge paint. The frames will all be painted with the bilge paint. And then each of these planks will be set in place, bedded in 5200. So there'll be 5200 on every single frame. These will be set down, not with these little brass brads, but or copper brads, but they're a good way to get started. They go in easily, they pop right back out. We can use them again at a later time. So this entire inner skin will be bedded in mahogany 5200 on the interior side, When all of that is down and cured, then installing the outer planks will be quite standard. We'll butter this entire surface with 5200, lay the planks down as we always have, and when she's finished and you flip her over and you look into her bilge, you will see exactly what you would have seen in a boat that has not had a bottom replacement process applied to it. The other positive here is that it is so much easier to get every one of these absolutely tight at all of the joints. That can be a challenge when you're using sheets of plywood. So from now on, a Snake Mountain Boatworks true 5200 bottom will have an inner skin that matches what these boats had installed on them when they were in the factory and after they left the factory. So we'll let Joe keep working, and we'll keep you up to date next week when we are at the next stage. That's our update for Thursday, April 21, 2022 on a 1940 17-foot Chris Craft Barrelback. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.